It stands in every direction. Hello guys! Temu has sent me this very nice magsafe phone holder. You can adjust it any direction, ball joint on the top and a swivel mount at the base. If you use the coupon code in the search bar for the Temu app or the website, you will get a coupon bundle for 1000 NOK. That could be nice to have in the future buyings. And remember, it's always free return and free shipping on all things you buy on Temu, which is perfect. How nice is that? It came with an extra bag with let's call it spare parts. Let me open this quick for you. It has 2 spare magnetic ring if you don't have magnetic ring on your phone already. And it came with 2 extra glue, what do you call it, glue pads, which fits under here. So then you have 3 options. One which is on, and you can change them if you want to move it around somewhere. That is excellent. There is also included an Allen key. The Allen key can be used to slacken and tighten these joints, which can be necessary. I have a big phone, which is kind of heavy, so here it is. You see, we need to tighten the joint. But that's very easy when you are when there are included a key. The magnet on the back here is quite strong. It will keep your phone quite safe. Yep, and the same with the extra rings, which also are even stronger. Oh, no, I can't get them off. What the? Oh, here we go. That is nice. The installation is quite straightforward. You just have to peel off this backing, and here we have it. It's a very nice, like some kind of gel, the glue. Clean the place you wanted to place it with some alcohol or something, so it's absolutely grease free, and this will stick on forever. You can mount it really anywhere you want. On the window. Yeah, I think I will have mine on the dash somewhere around here, so you can easily see the phone from the driver's side. Or maybe here. It's not in the way for the driver. The ball joint is a standard 17mm, which means you can use other accessories on the same holder, like this fast charger, for instance. Very nice, eh? I will clean the dash with some of this spirits cleaner. Yeah, okay. Then this one. What? It sticks straight away. What the hell? That is the nicest glue I have ever seen. And this is how it looks. Look at it. How nice. And the glue. I can't believe it. Super strong. That is nice. Look at the view, guys. Google Maps. I am so impressed by the glue. Oh, that was just simply amazing. It stands in every direction. Fantastic. And it still sticks to it like... Okay guys, there we have it. The fantastic phone mount from Temu. Works like a charm. Glue is very solid. And the magnet is great. And remember, it's always free shipping and free return on everything you buy on Temu. Check out Temu and use my code and you will get a nice discount or yeah, something. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.